Hey, how about some inexpensive local getaways for you and your family? Join us today on Life Notes, and that's what we're going to talk about. Well, welcome to Life Notes for 12 June 2023. If you can believe it, it's only 9 days till summer. That'll be June the 21st, summer solstice. Woohoo! I heard somebody say. that's good. It is going to be a woohoo. So I'm going to touch on some local, cost-effective getaways for y'all. So town zoos, animal sanctuaries, town parks, water splash pads, local interest museums, they're all available at little or no charge. And, our Saturdays, we never took vacations. We just didn't take vacations. So we would do Saturday getaways. We had 4 children. Rather challenging income at that time. So we would leave on Saturday morning. My wife would fix a picnic lunch or snacks, and we would eat at a local place. So we would go visit different sites around our area in Virginia within a 2-hour drive, so we wouldn't be getting back too late. Historical sites were all over Virginia, plus modern sites and museums and different types of venues. There was always some kind of festival going on, or a music venue, or something that we could go to and just have fun with the kids. Most of the things that we did were no money except for the gas in the car. So the things that we did enjoy, of course, having a picnic lunch was fun, and having the snacks in case we were stopped. We would stop in a local city, and at that time we would kind of drive around lunchtime and see where there were a lot of cars. So obviously that was probably a good place, because most of these towns were small. Sometimes we would go to bigger cities, but most of these towns were small. And you could see one eating place that just packed them in. So we knew that was the place that we wanted to try out, and found some unique, interesting places with some dishes that we had never heard of before. So it's a lot of fun. While I'm thinking about it, please subscribe to this channel and like our video. Just smash that like button, and I will appreciate it. I really will appreciate it. So also, if you're not a platinum subscriber, go to my website, www.patreon.com/a-step-above, and become a platinum member. And for $20 a month, $20 a month, which isn't even hardly the price of a meal at a casual dining restaurant for one person, you get 5 decades of all the conferences, workshops, seminars, meetings, videos, audios, everything that I've learned over 5 decades, and you can 10x your life. Grant Cardone says that all the time. Yes. Stick with my newsletters, Life Notes, and read them each week and apply the principles, and you will 10x your life. That is not conceit. I'm just telling you. That's what will happen. Also, when you're our platinum member, you get a hardback copy of every book I publish during the year. I just published one. My platinum members have already got a copy of that. Also, they have other benefits that they get, things that are unique to the platinum level. And something new we've added is you get 20% off on all events that we hold. So if an event is $1,000, boom, it's $200 off right there. And we're thinking about how we're going to fit in the spouses of the members and give them a substantial discount coming as a couple. So when you come as a couple, you'll get even greater benefits. So to give you, for instance, if it's $1,000 for the primary and $500 for the second person on your list, take 20% off of the total. So both of you would be coming for $1,200. And at those seminars or workshops, whichever we decide to do, you'll get really, really quality information, and you'll be able to apply that to your life without making big changes, just little incremental changes in your life, so that you can 10x your life in the next 12 months. Let me move on. Drive to nearby areas, and here's what I'm suggesting you guys do. Ask the locals, and police are locals, where the best place to eat in town is. You might get there a little before lunch or a little after lunch, so you can ask them and they'll let you know pretty quick. Visit music festivals that come into your area or nearby cities. These do cost money, of course, usually. Sometimes the towns will have a town square and do free music festivals. They're a lot of fun. Doesn't matter what the music is. It's just go to enjoy yourself, have fun. There's towns that do Christmas tree lightings, parades, all kinds of things that can be a family event to enjoy. Farmers markets, oh man, all sorts of produce, different types of meats, and handcrafted items. These handcrafted items are like tremendous. I mean, creative, innovative. Don't mind what the price is. Most of them are priced far below what you would have to pay for if you came from a big city. I'm telling you. So support those local vendors. Then how about a getaway picnic? That's a good one. A getaway picnic with your family. Have fun. Doesn't have to be anything special. It could be a local park down by the river or over by the ocean, up in the mountains. I don't know where you live, but out by a lake. Just relax, enjoy yourself. Now, for continuous energy and enjoyment, this is like near the top of the list. Get involved with a community organization, your church, different types of events and things that the city sponsors. I'm not talking about Red Cross or anything like that. I'm talking about different community organizations that do stuff for the community. It could be helping local veterans or helping the homeless. It could be helping single moms. Just about anything you can think of that helps local people in your local. And the interesting thing about this, and any of you that know of these studies, I'd be grateful if you could send me the link. Because I forgot where I read it. So anyway, but studies show that people involved in community type projects, or the churches, which that's considered a community organization, live an average of 15 years longer, and they're healthier than their counterparts. It does make sense. But it's interesting. They actually did studies to find this stuff out. But anyway, visit thrift shops. Start a new hobby. My wife and I are going to learn ballroom dancing, which is new for us. So many of you probably think, oh man, I can do that. But we haven't, so we're going to learn. Learn a new language. My newsletter covers a lot more stuff. So if you guys aren't getting it, subscribe to Patreon, and then send me a note, an email, and say, hey Rev, I just subscribed as a Patreon member. Of course, I'm going to get that, and I'll send you this latest newsletter, and then you'll start getting them weekly from now on. All right, see you guys next time. Enjoy the upcoming summer.